Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, March 2nd, 2023. Well, we have a clash of air masses over the region between a maritime air mass, a tropical air mass, and a polar air mass. And that has led to some low clouds and fog and showers and some very poor visibility around the region. Visibility in many locations are below a mile, so definitely use caution when traveling this morning. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Now, this wasn't exactly expected, this wave of low pressure. Well, what's supposed to happen was this warm front was going to just march its way through. We get scattered showers early in the morning and then scattered showers later in the morning with the cold front passage. But, of course, the weather is always trying to throw some tricks into the forecast, and one of those little tricks is a wave of low pressure that developed to the south of Long Island, and what that did was transport a maritime air mass southward into the northern mid-Atlantic, and as a result, the warm air is rushing over this maritime air while the polar air mass is marching through. That has enhanced showers and, of course, led to the foggy conditions. The good news is that this cold front will be clearing through by around noon, and then thereafter skies will start to clear, so the afternoon and evening hours will be far better. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see the strong lifting that is taking place over our area as the air masses clash. And then we have another storm that's getting ready to organize here in the southern plains with the subtropical jet stream that's going to be heading up towards the eastern Great Lakes. And with that, a secondary low is going to follow. That's going to form basically right over the Philadelphia metro, and that's going to enhance some very heavy rainfall for tomorrow night and some icy conditions for the Poconos and Catskills. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, periods of showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure will build into the region from Canada, producing clearing skies and winds from the north. Temperatures will be crashing into the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, so the cold air is in place. Our secondary low pressure system is still not going to be developing just yet. In the afternoon hours, the high pressure system starts to exit. Look for increasing cloud cover. Precipitation is going to hold off until the late afternoon hours, so most of the day will be dry on Friday. Temperatures will be rising through the 30s and heading into the 40s. Now, here's what's interesting. The warmest conditions are actually going to be in the evening hours as this precipitation is unfolding and temperatures are warming steadily from the south. So by the evening, we're talking about high temperatures over the interior in the 40s, but that's going to occur as the changeover to rain takes place. So we're going to see this steady warming taking place throughout the day as this storm approaches. Now, in the evening hours, our primary low pressure systems here, our secondary low pressure systems here. Notice the very heavy rainfall. Here's the secondary low pressure system. Here's where I'm concerned for the Poconos and the Catskills and parts of the Hudson River Valley. Most locations may see a burst of snow at the very start of this and then it changes over to rain. No accumulation, all right? But for the northern interior, especially along and north of I-80, this is going to be snow quickly changing over to sleet and freezing rain. And I'm concerned about the ice accumulation as a result for tomorrow night. So I would suggest if you have any plans for tomorrow night, you want to go out, have a good time, I would just cancel them. Push them off till Saturday. Saturday night would be much better. Friday night is going to be an icy mess over the interior and just very heavy rain along the coast. Now on Saturday, temperatures will hold in the 30s and 40s. And then as the storm starts to clear out, we'll see clearing skies in the afternoon with high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, and mid 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover, tranquil conditions. look for low temperatures to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s. On Monday, high pressure will pass through the region with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. On Tuesday, we have a weak low pressure system passing through with a few scattered showers. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior and mid to upper 30s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast, mid to upper 40s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, high pressure will build into the region with tranquil conditions expected. Look for lows in the mid to upper 20s. High temperatures will be rather chilly in the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, and mid to upper 40s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, look for scattered cloud cover with high pressure in place, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. And since we talked about it last night in the live chat, remember how I was very skeptical of this big storm idea for around March 12th, 13th? Well, the one model, this model, the European, that was supporting that solution, well, it pretty much looks a much different solution now. And why? Because you can't get a big storm like this without a perfect 50-50 upper level low. And it doesn't look like that's going to be evolving this time. But we'll keep an eye on it. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.